Hello. At the time of this recording, it's April 1st, which many recognize as April Fool's Day. For me, being a longtime NASCAR fan, though, it is the anniversary of Alan Kulwicki's death. So, with that being said, my next build is going to be the 1992 Underbird. That's right, Underbird, because it was the last race of the year of 1992 when he won the championship. So that's what I'm building. And what I'm using is this 97 Thunderbird kit for the chassis. And then I'm going to use this Tide kit for the body. Because this kit is essentially the same kit that came out in '83, the old round bubbly style stroker ace Thunderbird. This has a much more updated chassis, more like it would be in 1992 anyway, so that's what I'm going with. So just letting you know I'm going to get started on that, because I feel it's appropriate to do. So there you have it. Short little video, but like I said, I wanted to get it out there that I am starting on an Alan Kulwicki's championship car. So, and it should turn out really well. I'm going to do my best for it. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.